Hey friends, Tanya Moss here at the XP Realty. Today I'm taking you through 33039 Malahat Place in Central Abbotsford. This remodeled 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, double car garage is situated in a quiet cul-de-sac. And I can't wait to show you the backyard. It's centrally located to walking trails, schools, minutes away from Highway 1, and yet it's still removed from the hustle and bustle of the city. Look at this oasis back here. You've got raised garden beds, mature banana trees. It's just waiting for you to dig into or enjoy, perhaps in your own pool. It's got this lovely storage shed, a gardener's delight, and it backs onto green space. What would you plant first? Tell me in the comments. I'm curious. Are you a gardener? Would you use this space for veggies, fruit, flowers? Would you put in a hot tub? Would you put in a pool? How do you see this space being used? Okay, so if you'd like more information, just comment tour and I'll be in touch. This listing is courtesy of Donald Trout of eXp Realty. Thanks for watching.